Hey guys, so I had previously recorded this and already played it, but my mic was not turned on. Oops. So I'm doing it again. So if I don't seem as surprised, it's because I'm not. This is called the Pancakes Official Game Show. Just a forewarning, it's gonna be really weird, so let's watch, and well, let's play. By the same genius who made the Confraternity of Toast and other very cool games, the developer is proud to introduce you in the Pancakes Official Game Show. Attention, this game contains gluten. If you're allergic, don't play. Have fun, person.
Hello, Grandpa. Are you happy to see me?
No!
Oh, me.
Oh, come on, don't cry. I'm just kidding. Would you like to hear a story?
Okay.
The story is about Bob. Bob likes to shake his arms and eat food. But one day something unexpected will change his life forever. A day like any other.
Oh my god, this is terrible news. Flowers are very dangerous. Better to turn off the TV and go to eat.
Yes, a guy robs a bank with a flower. Was this in Florida? Florida, man. Let's turn off the TV. Okay. And we're gonna go to eat. It's not there. Oh, food generator, that's right. Okay. We're hungry.
Multi-button food box, my favorite.
Delicious.
The TV turned on by itself. Wait,
Damn it.
you want 1,000,000 pancakes? Oh my god, this is a sign of destiny. I absolutely must call it. There's a public telephone outside the condominium. I'm too lazy to buy a personal phone.
Too lazy to buy a personal phone? Okay, well, let's go. This door, right? E to exit. Okay. Here we go.
A banana exploded in the elevator. I told my wife not to buy it, and that's the result.
What do I do now that that doesn't work? In this condominium, there are no stairs.
I suggest you throw yourself out the window. It's a painless, easy method.
Thanks, I'll try.
Okay. We're gonna jump out the window, I guess. Ow, what? Wow, how far up were we? Are you okay, dude? Sure. Red, red, red. Do you like Prius? That's weird. Sure, I like Prius, though. There is one who greets me in the fountain. I think to think thoughts. Okay. I often watch closed doors. Me too. That sounds super fun. Wait, what? I believe these windows are fake. Okay. Okay, so apparently there's a big line at the phone for some reason. No one has.
Are you serious?
A
There
cell
are
phone?
too many people here. I need to find a way to clear the area. I don't want to grow old while I wait.
Yeah, me neither. Okay. I'm drowning. Help me. Sorry, we got stuff to do, buddy. Let's see. Who do we talk to? Oh, I think it's this guy over here. You'll see.
I saw that you need help. Bring me a coin. You can find them in the fountain. After I get paid, I will clean up the problem.
Okay. So we gotta go get a coin. Find a coin. Did we get the coin? Help me, I'm drowning. I had an issue with this the first time. Like, did we find a coin? Where's the coin? Okay. Give the coin for Robert. Okay. So we got the coin, but it didn't really show us that we did. If you know what I'm trying to say.
Thanks for the money. He should arrive soon.
Okay.
He who?
There he is. Look at the sky.
There he is. Totally normal.
And the telephones are all free.
Thanks,
Sweet.
man. You've been helpful.
All that to use a payphone. Man.
They're all gone. Now I can call.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Hello.
Hi, I want to have 1,000,000 pancakes.
Well, I'll sign you up for the game show.
Which game show? I just want pancakes.
Pancakes are the prize for whoever wins the game. Did you think I gave them for free?
Yes?
So, will you participate, yes or no?
I don't know.
What's wrong?
I have a doubt.
What is the doubt you have?
I have a
Do you
doubt.
put maple syrup on the winner's pancakes?
Yes, but why?
I have always loved maple syrup.
Does this mean you will participate?
Yes.
You finally decided. The show starts in a week.
Okay, but where's the place of the show?
Don't worry about this. We will kidnap you when you sleep.
Kidnap.
Okay.
Carrie?
Oh, yes,
Carrie.
Okay, it sounds better. Bye.
1 week later.
Okay.
What time is it? Why is everything so dark? Oh yeah, I have been carrying when I sleep for the game show. Luckily, I always have a flashlight in my pocket. I don't remember how to turn it on. Oh yeah, now I remember. I have to press the F.
Okay.
Ah! Dude, you scared me. Why are you watching me in the dark?
I'm part of the game show staff. I'm here to wake you up. You're the only competitor who is not ready.
Why is it so dark?
It's to create a suggestive atmosphere, and also because electricity has a cost. There's no more time now. Go to the TV studio.
Okay. Let's go. I never went this way before. I want to go here to see what's up. I feel pain. Okay. Well, that's interesting. Okay. Let's go to the TV studio. I don't know why that guy was getting crushed. Here we go.
Finally, the last contestant woke up. Now that all the participants are ready, we can start the game show. Well, last competitor, open the door in front of you.
Before entering, I want to ask a question.
There's no time. The show must go on.
Only a small question, I promise.
Okay, but hurry up.
Do you serve breakfast in this place? When I wake up, I always do.
No.
Sad face. Okay, let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first original game show of all time. 200 participants and only one big prize. 1,000,000 pancakes. This is the Pancakes official game show. The show begins after the message from our sponsor.
It reminds me so much of that video I saw yesterday, where there's a dancing potato dressed as the cowboy. Johnson, you're live. Oh, I'm on the air?
I like that part.
Well, the game show begins. Now the competitors are all in different rooms with a camera on their head, so we can observe in real time what they do. Our
Okay.
competitors will have to overcome many different games. It will be tiring for them, but fun for us who watch them. Enjoy the show, my dear audience.
Okay. Let's go. Okay. Oh, now we have to drop down.
Welcome, dear competitors, to the first game. A huge nuclear detonator is in the center of the room. You have 60 seconds before a mechanical arm activates it. To stop it, you have to answer a simple question. Once you find the answer, you must press the right button. I suggest you run. The question is, 1 plus 1 is what? The timer starts in 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Go!
So, the last time I tried the obvious answer 2, and then I tried I don't know, and they were both wrong, because in this game, the answer is fish. And we have to follow these red lines to get there. Okay.
Right answer. You have been admitted to the next game.
The answer is fish. 1 plus 1 equals fish. Okay. Next
Our
room.
valiant participants showed a lot of intelligence during the first game.
Definitely.
Now let's see how they're doing with a game of agility. But first, a short message from our sponsor.
Hello, everyone. Before, I didn't know I was on the air. Now, if the technical staff puts the picture of my product on the screen, I can sponsor it.
Don't disturb. I'm sleeping.
Are you serious, dude? I need that image now.
If I really have to, I'll put the picture.
Mountains? That's not the correct image.
Is this the right one?
This is my face. Change the image.
This?
No, this is your face. Please hurry up.
I like how their
time for
faces
is
are the
running
same.
out.
Okay. I put a series of images. Stop me when you find the right one.
Okay. Please stop. It isn't in any of these images.
Why don't you tell us the name of the product without the picture?
Alright then. Even if with the image it is better. Dear audience, before my time runs out, I want to sponsor my product. It's called...
Thank you, sponsor, for your unforgettable purchase advice. Your time is over, but we will connect with you later. Now, the game.
Okay, this game is actually
Welcome to
quite a
the
bit more
second
challenging than the
game,
last one.
The Sacrificial Tower. You are at the top of a tower, and to continue, you will have to sacrifice the red person. Red as lava. In this way, the lava will decrease. There are other people ready to hinder your goal. Push them in the lava mercilessly. There will
Brutal.
also be dangerous trap. Good luck.
Okay. Go away. Get off. Go in the lava. Alright, red guy, you're gonna go now. Here, you can go too. Bye. Bye, dude. Okay, now the lava lowered. We have to go down. Let's see. Okay, yeah, we're going down here. I'm walking over the top of them. No! Red dude, you need to go. He's hanging on for dear life. There we go. Okay. Going further down. This is gonna get a lot harder. Bye, dude.
Oh no, it's a trap!
That was a pretty bad trap. Okay, so there's no red person up here. Or is there? Now I can't remember. No. Where is the red person? Oh, here he is. That's right. Bye, dude. now we gotta go down there. Hey. Ugh. Okay, so you can't touch these red things. Oh, yeah, I'm so good at that. Ugh. Oh, okay. But you can also kind of cheat, which I kind of did the last time. Let's see, where is it? Where are we going? Down here? Okay. There we go. Okay. Oh, come on, no. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna cheat. Okay. Totally cheated. Oh, no, no. Okay, good. Ooh. There. Okay. Alright, now we gotta go way over there. Gonna kill myself. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I totally cheated on this, and it's kind of funny. It actually points out that you're cheating. I'll show you. Oh. You shouldn't be here, cheater. Well, I am here. What you gonna do about it? Got it. Okay. Next part. Okay. Okay, where are they? Are they over here? Oh, uh-oh. Oops. Okay. Okay, I see where to go. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay. Aha! Okay.
Well, that was the last person to sacrifice. Now you can continue the game show.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, here we go.
Only this game show offers you high entertainment content. Stay tuned, because after this commercial break, there will be the last incredible game.
Welcome back, dear audience. During the second game, I drew the product I want to sponsor. It's
Is it a type of animal or something similar?
animal. Where do you see an animal?
Do you see that line there? It looks like an elephant trunk.
Where do you see an elephant trunk?
On your left, there's a long line.
It doesn't resemble an elephant trunk.
Are you blind? Can't you see the elephant?
My drawing is not an elephant.
If you authorize me to modify the drawing, I'll show you that it looks like an elephant.
What is the drawing?
I added the eyes. Now it looks like an elephant?
Now it looks like a potato with eyes.
A potato? Now I'll add another detail.
Oh man, awesome. It is an elephant now. Your drawing skills surprise me.
Thank you.
Why did you add a pigtail to the elephant?
Because I read that exists an elephant pig that lives in space.
Are you sure it's not fake news?
I read it on the internet, so I'm sure it's true.
Ah,
It's very true.
Do you think you've forgotten something?
I guess not. Why do you ask me that?
I don't know. I thought I was sponsoring a product on TV.
I guess it wasn't a supposition.
Ah.
Thanks again to our sponsor. Now,
Okay.
the final game. The remaining competitors are locked inside a house. However, they will not be alone in there. The first who escapes from there will win. Have fun, dear audience.
Okay. Here we go. Okay. This door? No. Okay. Oh, okay. It's kind of trippy. Okay. Yeah, I guess so. Okay. Activate. Activate.
It seems that there's no electricity.
Well, dang it. Okay. That's right. Okay, so let's go back up to the second floor, I believe. And I think we go down here? I'm not sure. Why can't I go down? Can I not go down yet? Oh, okay, never mind. Oh, let's go in here first. Okay, we're getting electricity back on, that's right. Okay, now let's go back up. No, oh. Oops. Okay. Oh, fudge. Okay. So now the electricity should work, I think. Maybe.
A secret passage behind the library.
Okay. Yeah. Of course. Didn't really look like a library, though.
What? And now
like
what do I do?
Bookshelf.
Oh, another wall has moved.
Of course. I do kind of like how this game gets kind of weird. Well, I mean, it was already weird, but it kind of turns into almost like a PT type game for a little while, which is kind of unexpected for me. Okay. Oh, that's already pulled. Okay. Okay, we can't go back in there? Oh.
The front door is open. I can win this game show.
Yeah, it's not over.
Did I win the game? I went out?
No, we haven't won yet. We will.
I heard a bell ringing in the dark.
That got me
What a
again.
fright! I don't know how it's possible, but now I'm in the basement.
Okay, so the map. Okay, this part was tricky. It took me a long time to figure out the first time. I will probably still get lost. But we need to get to the X and pull a lever, and then it will open up the door to the exit. And if you go to the exit without pulling the lever, it says there is a door behind this wall. Okay, so we'll see if I can do it. Okay, and you can't touch these X's, by the way. Or something comes up and kills you, like a ghost or something. Oh, here's the lever. That was quick. I actually didn't expect to get it that quick. Okay. These X's make me nervous. Okay. Okay. Oh, no, we got... Oh, we're dead, okay. Yeah, we're dead. The thing's gonna come after us in a minute. Oh, somehow we missed it. What? Oh god, it's gonna get us. Oh. Okay. Oops. Okay, let's do this again. Right. Right. Oh, okay, I went the wrong way again. Here it is. Okay. 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 I got this. Hopefully. Okay, good. Let's look at the map one more time. So to get to the exit, I kind of just need to stay to the right side of the map for the most part. So I'm going to go out and I'm going to take a right. And then a left. Okay. Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh, I got it. Okay. Man, I get lost so easily. Alright.
Dear audience, we have a winner! I didn't think anyone survived this game show. Anyway, don't turn off the TV, dear audience, because now I will give the prize to the winner.
I can't believe I won the game show.
Me neither.
Congratulations! Ooh. You win the game show. I honestly thought you were one of the first to die in the game, but you surprised me. Now you will receive your pancakes.
Pancakes, pancakes! I'm hungry. I didn't have breakfast today.
I see that you are impatient. Well, You will be the first person in the world to taste the pancakes invented by me.
I can't wait. I'm excited.
Ladies and gentlemen, I announce my greatest invention directly on TV. Say hello to living pancakes.
Please don't eat us.
What the?
These are only 5. The rest of the pancakes are in another room. Now you have to eat them. That's an order.
I cannot. I thought the pancakes weren't alive.
You have to eat them all. They have no feelings.
Please, sir, don't eat us. I have a family.
I cannot do that.
If you don't eat them, I'll throw them all in the bin.
I have to find a way to save them all.
Okay, so we're not going to eat the pancakes. I am kind of hungry right now. I mean, just hearing the word pancake so much, I would probably eat one. I'm just saying. But we're not going to eat them.
Come on, pancakes! Revolution!
Come on, brothers. Let's kill that fucking tyrant.
Stop! I'm your creator. You must obey. Please, stop. I'm gluten intolerant. No, no, no!
The tyrant is dead. The tyrant is dead. Yeah! Thanks for everything, dude. You've been helpful. In gratitude, we give you the honorary citizenship of Pancakes.
Thanks. This is the beginning of a long friendship.
Wise words, my friend. Wise words.
Since that day, pancakes and humans live happily. No one ever ate pancakes again. So, nephew, did you like the story?
You just traumatized my childhood. My mother was right. Crazy, Grandpa.
The children of this era are so funny.
Just out of curiosity, what happened to that sponsor on the TV?
Oh yeah, I almost forgot. After the game show.
Everything is useless now. The game show is over, and nobody watches TV anymore.
I'm sorry. Do you want to eat something?
Yes, maybe eating helps me forget this day.
I can share my lunch if you want. I have bananas.
Bananas?
Uh-oh.
No, stop. Don't peel them.
It's just a banana. It certainly doesn't explode.
Okay, guys. So that was the Pancake official game show. It was a really weird game. Playing it the second time, I already knew what was going to happen, so it kind of lost some of the magic, if you could say that. But it's a fun little game. It's weird. It went in different ways I didn't expect it to go. And there were some creepy, intense moments where I was trying to get through certain areas. The part with the X's, trying not to step on them and getting to where I needed to go was actually pretty nerve-wracking. So there was a level of actual challenge to this game that I didn't think was going to be there. I kind of just thought it was going to be a joke. But it wasn't. It was pretty fun. And I enjoyed it. And I like that it had voice acting, too. There are a lot of games that don't have voice acting, so when someone puts the work in to create voices for the characters, I personally really appreciate that. So, yes. And as you can see, the credits are scrolling by. I think we're getting close to the end of the credits. Yes, here we are. Perfect. And the game, I think, was by that dude right there. JQRZN. Whatever that means. Alright, guys, so if you like this video, click like. If you're enjoying my channel, click subscribe. You know you want to, and all the subscribers help. So, okay, I'll see you back here very soon with a new game, okay? Peace.